Good morning, friends. It's Faith 99.9. It's time for your good word. Ephesians 3:18 tells us, and I pray that you and all God's holy people will have the power to understand the greatness of Christ's love, how wide and how long and how high and how deep that love is. Paul's prayer in Ephesians 3 is not just for knowledge, but for power, spiritual strength to grasp the vastness of Christ's love for you and I. The verse reminds us that Christ's love isn't something that we can fully comprehend with our minds alone. It requires the Spirit's help to truly take it in. Paul describes Christ's love in 4 dimensions: wide, long, high, and deep. This isn't poetic fluff. It's a declaration that Christ's love reaches every corner of our lives, wide enough to embrace all people, no matter their past, long enough to last through eternity, high enough to lift us into heavenly places, and deep enough to meet us in our darkest of valleys.
For the hope that you have. Is Christ set apart as Lord of your heart today?
This world is always trying to tell me I need more.
In London, the London Food Bank has kicked off their 29th annual Curb Hunger Food Drive. It is happening in the midst of tariff turmoil. Glenn Pearson is the co-executive director.
But it's this idea of food sovereignty that many people in Canada, indeed millions of them, are tired of having to wait, and a pandemic comes and they can't get this and they can't get that, or somebody from south of the border wants to pick a fight.
The 29th annual Curb Hunger Food Drive wraps up June 8th. Southern Ontario is set to experience higher than average temperatures, a trend observed in other regions as well. The summer forecast is out by Environment Canada. Senior climatologist with Environment and Climate Change Canada, David Phillips, has chimed in.
It looks like it's going to be another summer that's warmer than normal. But you know, it's certainly in Ontario. I mean, you have to go back 14 years and for sure 21 years to find the last time we had a kind of a coolish, cold kind of summer.
A new report from the World Meteorological Organization predicts temperatures are expected to continue at or near record levels in the next 5 years. A top administrator with the Thames Valley District School Board is warning of potential job losses as it deals with cloud with 30% chance of showers late in the afternoon. Winds northwest 20 gusting to 4 to 6. Also next hour, a fun fact of the day and a look at your future. We are messengers 1,000 times. This is Faith 99.9, your voice of hope.
32-year-old machine. It's hard to say that there's a God when you look around and see all this mess. Well, I've seen a long time ago,
It's not a chance
talking to a guy and
that can take that truth away.
that's when I didn't
It's gonna be
could care less for religion either way. I didn't believe or disbelieve, really. I never put much thought to it.
gonna be alright.
I said, well, looking around, had all this mess,
You're gonna be
something like that anyway, and probably not as,
alright.
probably more colorful language anyway.
When we're beckoning on to
But
the
I said, I can just, say that. So he
You're
says,
gonna be alright.
there's no God because of this mess, because of the evil.
It's the beginning of new life.
So he said, if there's no God, where's the evil? So I was like, what the when you put it that way, not if I do believe, right?
99.9, part of the Sound of Faith
I got
radio
no
station.
interesting at the time. Biggest enemy of religion is religion.
Responded to a survey and said they will consume this product even if it's past its expiration date.